Before this moment, you were so many things to each other. You were acquaintances and friends, companions and even teachers. And we find ourselves at the beginning of a whole new chapter in your lives. And love is the key ingredient in all that. Always remember that love makes burdens lighter. It makes joys more intense because you share them. It makes you stronger because you can reach out and become involved in life in ways that you would never ever do alone. So may truest feelings stir you as the wind blows through this great glen. It disturbs the silence only when it hits the trees. May you just find bliss in ordinary, everyday days and joy just forever in its present tense. This world is your universe and you're starting out today on this journey.